In this video, I will guide you how you can add Solana to MetaMask Wallet. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So first of all, open up your MetaMask extension and make sure to open up the snaps.metamask.io, or you can simply search for Add Solana to MetaMask, and then you just need to go for the official MetaMask Snap directory. Now once you are in, simply click on Add to Solana Wallet, and then you just need to accept the terms and condition and click on Connect button. After that, this is going to take few seconds, and again click on Confirm and click on Confirm again, and there you have it. We have successfully added our Solana wallet to our MetaMask. Now if I open up my MetaMask and see if we have our Solana network or not, as you can see, we have our Solana wallet right in this place. So that's a way of how you can add Solana network to MetaMask.